Hello guys, welcome back to a new Valorant thumbnail tutorial. So if this video gets 66 likes I will release this project file, so please leave a like, comment, and subscribe my channel if you're new to my channel, it's free. So without wasting time let's get started. Now make new project file of 1920 by 1080. Now make a background color as black and make a group for it, then bring your Valorant screenshot and place it and select a pen tool. And then start making like this with your player and his gun, make it perfectly. Make sure its fill and stroke is off. After making outline, right-click on it and make selection. And press Ctrl+J to duplicate only the selection part. So now I'm deleting it because I have already done it. Now, select your screenshot layer and make a layer of hue and saturation on it and make sure it should be clipping mask for your screenshot layer. Then make like this. After that, take a curves and make like this. Then take an exposure and give it like this. Then, make a new layer and give it a gradient about blue like this. Or just copy this color tag. And hit OK. Now just apply the gradient. And make its blending mode to overlay. Also make it as clipping mask. Now just select all these layers. And make them one group. For making group just press Ctrl+G. That will make group of selected layers. Now UN hider or gun layer. Then make a new clipping mask layer for it. Then take a brush and color as blue. And just give like this. Also give black shade to it like this. Give blending mode as soft light, then make a new layer below the gun layer. Then take brush with blue color. And give it like this. Make it as exclusion. Opacity to 75. And make one more layer. Then give white shade, just tap like this. Also make fill to 45. Okay, now select these layers and make them in one group. After that, make a new layer. Type her text what you want to keep for a thumbnail. Then duplicate the text for 2 times and write her texts which you want to keep. I have given font link in description, so you can download it from there. Let's come to the point. Now make a new layer below middle text and take a rectangle tool, then make like this, then make these both layers as rasterized type. And then make selection of her text by press Ctrl and tap on text like this, then come to below layer and press Ctrl+X so it looks like this. Now double tap layer and make color overlay to blue. And now make sure these are very important steps, so don't skip them, just copy these steps or take screenshots.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. 'Cause you got me holding.
After that, select the text layers and make them in one group.
And I'll be running, possessed by a lone low voodoo, fired up like a wolf on the
And now duplicate the text group and hide one of them.
land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like
Now open the text group and select these layers and merge down them.
pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me
And press Ctrl T and adjust it.
if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Then right-click and tap on perspective, then tap and hold on left top point and drag text to forward.
Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock.
Now make a new layer above this layer.
Round in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord.
And select the brush tool with light blue color and just tap like this. Also give blending mode to screen and make opacity to azure. Vish, ops, my name came.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by
So now I have this overlays and Valorant logo to apply, so in project file, I will provide it.
when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word.
So, if this video gets 66 likes, I will release this project file. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, so please leave a like, comment, and subscribe my channel if you're new to my channel. It's free, so till then just peace out.